How to delete expense in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can delete expense in Splitwise. If you have already added an expense in Splitwise and want to delete it, you can simply open the Splitwise application on your mobile device first, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here you'll be able to see different icons at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this activity icon next to friends icon, and then here you'll be able to see all your activities. From here, you will need to now choose the expense that you have added. Simply tap on the expense, and inside it, here you'll be able to locate the dustbin icon at the top right. Now you can simply tap on it to delete it. If you just want to edit this expense instead of delete, then you can tap on the pencil icon at the top right and then make the necessary change. But if you'd like to delete it permanently, then go ahead and tap on this dustbin-like icon and then confirm it by tapping on OK option right here. Now this will remove the expense for all the people involved with you. You can see you have successfully deleted the expense in Splitwise. So by following these steps, you can easily remove or delete expenses in Splitwise. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.